Most of you have been seeing me posting something like this on my community tab, or you have been seeing other YouTubers posting something like this on their community tab, and you wonder how they get something like this, that they are able to post them. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get it yourself. If you haven't watched my video on how I talked about registering on VidIQ and ranking your video, then you have to go and watch that video after watching this video. Now let's go onto our screen and see how to do this. But before we do that, if you haven't liked this video, do well to like the video. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, do well to subscribe to this channel so that you will get notified anytime I drop another video like this.
Open your VidIQ app, and when you open this app, you're going to come to an interface like this. Now all you have to do is to come over to this place. You are going to see this trophy icon there. After signing in, you are going to come to this, and you see a trophy icon there. And when you see that icon, if you tap on that icon, you'll be able to see all your goals, all your achievements that your channel have gotten. So you can see I have, from the day I connected to VidIQ, I've been getting all these things. So most of you have been surprised how I got these things. So this video will explain that to you. So you are just going to get it like this. So to download it, what you have to do is to click on this share button. So if I click on that share button, it's going to allow me to share this image. So I'll just go to WhatsApp. If I go to WhatsApp, I'm going to share this image to myself. So I'm going to share the image like this to myself, and from here you can remove any of these text. If you want to remove the text, you can simply remove the text. So if I want to remove the text, I can remove it like this, then send it to myself. So now I have gotten this image. I'll just tap on the image just like this, and from here I'll tap on this three dots. When I tap on that three dots, these three dots, you will see among this option, you will see you are going to see save. So when I save this, it's going to appear in my device. That is one way of downloading that. Another way of downloading that is to go to the Gmail account you use to link your YouTube to the VidIQ, and when you go to that email account, let me just show you this. When you go to that email account and you scroll down, immediately your channel crosses any achievement, VidIQ is going to send you a notification, that is an email. So let me just look for one email that was sent. So okay, look at the email here. VidIQ is going to send you this email like this, and you can see this is it. So what you have to do is to long press on the image. Then from here you see open in browser. So if I tap on open in browser, what it's going to do is it's going to download that image. You can see it's going to download the image, download file again. So when I tap on download, it's going to download that image. That is another way of getting that image. So that is that on this video,
and that is how to do this using VidIQ. If this video was helpful, do not hesitate to like the video, drop a comment under this video to support this channel.